Welcome back to another great guide. Today I'll teach you how to remove critical alerts from iPhone. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To remove or manage critical alerts on your iPhone, you typically need to adjust the settings for the specific app that is sending the alerts. Here's how to do it. Firstly, launch the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap on Notifications. Find and tap on the app that is sending the critical alerts. Toggle off Allow Notifications if you want to disable all notifications from that app. If you want to keep some notifications but disable critical alerts, specifically, look for an option related to critical alerts within the app's notification settings. Note that not all apps will have separate toggle for critical alerts. Do not disturb. If you want a temporary solution to avoid being disturbed by critical alerts, you can use Do Not Disturb mode. Swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen, or swipe up from the bottom on earlier models. Tap the Do Not Disturb icon, the crescent mode, or tap Focus to enable a specific focus mode. By following these steps, you can manage or remove critical alerts from your iPhone, ensuring you only receive the notifications that are important to you. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.